Hello students, today we will be studying about main functions of liver. Liver is the first port of call for most nutrients which are absorbed across gut wall via portal vein. As already told in anatomy of liver, it serves as a filter between blood coming from GIT and the blood in the rest of the body. The nutrients which are absorbed across gut wall first reach liver via portal vein. In liver, hepatocytes absorb most of the nutrients and then the blood goes to the rest of the body. Now coming to main functions of liver. Liver is the largest gland of human body and it has many functions. We'll just read about a few important functions which you must know. First is synthesis and secretion of bile. Emulsification of fat is an important function of bile, and bile also serves as an excretory fluid. Gallbladder just stores bile and concentrates bile. It does not synthesize bile. Synthesis of plasma proteins by liver. Most of the plasma proteins are synthesized in liver, out of which important ones are albumin, which maintains osmotic pressure, angiotensinogen, which is a hormone which is useful in maintaining blood pressure via renin-angiotensin axis. Coagulation factors. Most of the coagulation factors are synthesized in liver. Out of these, vitamin K dependent factors are 2, 7, 9 and 10. This is important. Acute phase reactants are also a type of proteins which increase during infection or inflammation. An example is C-reactive protein. So we get testing of C-reactive proteins in human body in case we are suspecting inflammation in the body. Steroid binding proteins and other hormone binding proteins are also synthesized in liver. Only major class of protein not synthesized in liver is immunoglobulins. These are synthesized by lymphocytes. Now, what are important nutrient metabolism and storage functions in liver? Glucose metabolism and fat metabolism. In glucose metabolism, liver plays an important role. It stores glucose in the form of glycogen. It converts galactose and fructose to glucose. And it also plays an important role in gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis is formation of glucose from a non-carbohydrate precursor. It can be a fat like glycerol or it can be proteins like glycogenic amino acids. Liver helps in maintaining a constant blood sugar level in the body during fasting or postprandial period. In fat metabolism also, liver plays an important role. It helps in fatty acid oxidation, storage of fats, synthesis of most of lipoproteins, and it has an important role in cholesterol homeostasis also. It stores fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E and K. These are fat-soluble vitamins. It also stores vitamin B12, which is a water-soluble vitamin. Liver is also very important in detoxification. We may eat something which may be toxic to body, for example drugs, toxins or alcohol. And by cytochrome P450 enzymes which are present on hepatocytes, these drugs or toxins are detoxified. Liver also plays some role in immunity via Kupffer cells. Kupffer cells are present in space of DC and they are a type of macrophage which entrap bacteria and other particulate matter and help in providing immunity. Another very important function of liver is changing ammonia to urea. Ammonia is a very toxic substance which is primarily absorbed from colon and kidneys. As it passes through liver, all the ammonia present in circulation is cleared by hepatocytes, which is then converted to lesser toxic urea by urea cycle, also called Krebs-Henseleit cycle. This urea is then excreted in urine. So liver also helps in excretion of toxic metabolites. Now just a brief overview of main diseases of liver. First is hepatitis. Hepatitis is inflammation of hepatocytes. Hepatitis is mostly viral, but it can be drug induced, toxin induced, or it can be autoimmune hepatitis, especially in females. Hepatitis A and hepatitis E. These are waterborne diseases. Hepatitis B and hepatitis C. These are blood-borne diseases. Hepatic encephalopathy. As already told, in case liver is not functioning properly, ammonia will not be changed to urea, and this circulating ammonia can affect brain, causing confusion and even coma and death in case liver function does not resume properly early. Cirrhosis is another complication in liver and which is mostly secondary to alcohol abuse, but it can be secondary to some other diseases also. Now before going, a last question for today. What are the complications of hepatitis B hepatitis?